What is negligent entrustment? When someone is injured in a car accident, one of the first questions that arises is who can be held liable. In Pennsylvania, liability doesn't always end with the driver. In some cases, the owner of the vehicle may also bear responsibility under a legal concept called negligent entrustment. Legal responsibility in Pennsylvania. Negligent entrustment occurs when a vehicle owner allows someone to drive their car even though they knew, or should have known, the person was unfit to drive. Under Pennsylvania law, owners have a duty to use reasonable care before handing over their keys. If they fail in this duty and an accident results, both the driver and the owner may be liable. The law draws from the Restatement, Second, of Torts, which makes clear that liability doesn't require actual knowledge of the driver's history, just that the owner should have known that giving them the car posed a risk to others. Under Section 1574 of the Pennsylvania Motor Vehicle Code, it's even a violation to let an unlicensed driver behind the wheel, further supporting liability claims. When does negligent entrustment apply? Negligent entrustment may apply if a vehicle owner lends their car to someone they know, or should know, is reckless, unlicensed, intoxicated, or inexperienced. It also applies if the driver lives with the owner or has shared prior incidents of poor driving, giving the owner a fair chance to assess the risk. The key elements include proof that the owner entrusted the car, the driver was unfit, the owner should have known, the driver acted negligently, and that negligence caused the injuries. A rental car company can also face liability if they knowingly rent to an incompetent or unlicensed driver. Understanding the process to prove negligent entrustment, there must be evidence of the owner's knowledge or opportunity to know the driver's unfitness. This may include past DUI records, conversations about license suspensions, or other reckless behavior. Both the driver's and the vehicle owner's insurance policies may be pursued for compensation. If those policies don't fully cover the damages, the vehicle owner's personal assets could be at risk, especially if their actions were deemed reckless enough to warrant punitive damages. Seek experienced legal guidance. Navigating a negligent entrustment case in Pennsylvania can be complex. A knowledgeable attorney can help identify if this legal theory applies to your accident and build a strong claim on your behalf. A law firm with experience investigating driver histories and owner responsibilities will know how to find evidence and determine who should be held accountable. If you or a loved one has been injured in an accident and suspect that negligent entrustment played a role, it's crucial to speak with a lawyer right away. At Luxenberg Garbett Kelly and George P.C., we understand how to pursue every possible route to secure the compensation you deserve. Contact Luxenberg Garbett Kelly and George P.C. at 724-658-8535 or visit us at 315 North Mercer Street, Newcastle, Pennsylvania, 16101, United States to schedule your consultation.